right, any questions? Alright, 14 on the book states cotangent of y equals x minus y. So since it's just y and your coefficient is 1, you can go ahead and do the derivative of cotangent. You don't have to use the chain rule. Derivative of cotangent is negative, since it's a c, we do negative, cosecant squared y. Since you did the derivative of y, you have to take it times y prime, or dy over dx. Equals, what's the derivative of x? What's the derivative of y? Question so far? So then I'm going to get my y primes on one side. So here's a y prime and here's a y prime. So I'm going to add this y prime over to here. And I get y prime minus cosecant squared y times y prime equals 1. Questions on that? All right, what do both terms have in common? Okay, so now we factor out y prime. And we get negative cosecant squared y. Oh, I forgot my 1, didn't I? So 1 minus cosecant squared y equals 1. Then what do you do? Okay. Divide by the parentheses. So we got 1 over 1 minus cosecant squared y. Questions? Next. In the book. Okay. Yes, Micah? You're fine. Are you sure?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, 16 says x equals secant of 1 over y. So what's the derivative of x? We can't do the derivative of secant 1 over y because it's not just secant y. So we have to do secant of u. What's the derivative of secant u? Secant u tan u. So we got secant of 1 over y tangent 1 over y. So u is 1 over y. To do the derivative of 1 over y, you rewrite it as y to the negative 1. Put your exponent in front, negative 1y. Drop your exponent by 1, so negative 2. Since it's y, we'll take it times y prime. I'm going to fix it and make it prettier. So I'm going to have negative 1 over y squared times y prime. So we have 1 equals negative 1 over y squared secant 1 over y tangent 1 over y times y prime. You do not have to move that to the front. It could be in the back. So now how do you solve for y prime? Divide. So 1 over negative 1 over y squared secant 1 over y tangent 1 over y. If you want to get the fraction out of the fraction, you can't get those out because they are your angle, but you could get rid of the y squared by multiplying by y squared on top and y squared on bottom. Questions? Any other questions?